Hey everyone, just a quick follow-up on the BMW X3. It's back on the road. It starts, it runs. It looks pretty good in the belt area. The glare is ridiculous. I'm taping with my phone here. I didn't have my good camera, but you can take my word for it. Everything is nice and dry. There's the new belt. Valve cover was not touched. The owner tells me he paid around $1,000 for the crank seal, belt, tensioner, and starter replacement. He brought his own parts though for the starter, so about $1,000 overall, and let's see how she runs. Old plastic key. Sweet. 148,000 miles. So that's it, just a little follow-up. The call on the starter was correct, even though we kind of brushed through. We didn't check the block ground, but you know, that was fine. And this car's back on the road, so hopefully it lasts a good long time. And appreciate you guys watching. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.